Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play the Who is the Imposter game on iPhone. In simple words, this is a very funny part game where players try to find out who is lying and who is telling the truth. First, open the Who is the Imposter game on your iPhone. You can play with friend, family or online player. Select how many people are playing the game. Everyone should sit together or join the same game room. Each player will secretly get a role. Most players are normal player. One player is the imposter. Only the imposter knows who they are. The goal of the imposter is to trick everyone. The game will show you role on the screen. Don't tell anyone what you see. If you are the imposter, stay calm and act normal. The game will ask questions or give tasks. Everyone must answer honestly, but the imposter must lie carefully without getting caught. After answering, players talk to each other silently, carefully to what everyone says. Look at the answer that doesn't make sense. When it's time to vote, choose the player who thinks is the imposter. The player with the most vote is revealed. If the imposter is found, the game and the normal player wins. If the imposter fools everyone, the imposter wins. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.